Okay, so I'm done with season three, the entertainment district arc, and I do want to take time to talk about a few moments that were my personally very favorite. First of all, this moment, we need to consider the fact that Tanjiro is not on Hashira level. His training has not gone that far. His age is not that much, and his experience, he has a good experience, but still not Hashira level. And the fact that he did got closer, this much closer, this demon is sixth level in the upper moon level thing, like the upper six demons. She's on number six, and she was incredibly powerful, and her powers were like very dangerous. And the fact that Tanjiro did came closer to cutting her neck off only because of the fact that he hesitated at the very last moment because of a memory he had at that time of his late sister. Only because of that fact he missed it. Otherwise, coming he almost chopped it off. He almost chopped her neck off, and it was like the heart holding moment for me. Absolutely incredible. Then we have this moment, the other demon who was also number six, like they were both together, and like again he did came closer to chopping his neck off, but at the last moment he again hesitated because of a flashback memory. It happens to him, I understand why, but the fact that he again, everybody was almost dead, even the Hashira was almost dead, and everything was burning around him. His body was slashed, he was barely able to breathe and everything, but he still came this much closer to chopping his neck off. It was absolutely incredible to watch, visually perfect, and mad respect for him, like mad respect for the kind of dedication that he has, that the kind of spirit that he has, the kind of energy that he has. I am a sold fan, like totally sold. And again, this moment again, he hesitated twice, but this time he did not hesitate. And obviously, for the sound, Hashira, Tengen, absolute mad respect. Like the fact that he came at the last moment when Tanjiro would have hit it. He did came in the last moment and again did it. Like he was almost dead. His body was poisoned. Tanjiro was poisoned. They were at the brink of death. They were taking their last breath at this moment, but they still logged in. They still came in and they still showed up and did this kind of stunt. Absolutely incredible. And for Tanjiro, 100 claps, because that boy is incredible. Like his willpower is enough to literally defeat anything. Like absolutely amazing. And I have to give kudos to the animation team, because like the fact that this animation is so, there are so many other shows, but the kind of animation level this show has my heart. I'm a completely soul fan. Absolutely incredible animation.